Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I am doing not your normal everyday pearl pour. I am doing something a little bit different, and I'll be adding some acrylic ink before I do a blowout with my pearls. I was inspired by CindyArtStudio. I have been watching her for quite a while now. She does a lot of different kind of pearl pours and a lot of abstract and landscape art. I'll leave a link down in my description. I'm sure you'll want to go give her a visit. I did use Cindy's recipe, and you'll find that in my description also, although I didn't use her method for pouring today. I'm last on tonight's Friday with Friends, and I hope you've been following along with Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk, Joanne Ralston Art, Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, and Cynthia Porter Studios. They've all been before me, and you'll find their links down in my description. I'm going to put on some music for your listening pleasure, and if this happens to be that you're in the live chat and you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the chat. Or if you leave a comment below, I do answer all my comments. And please do stick around for the finale of this video, because I have a special message for all of you. here are the wet results, and I think this is just beautiful. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Look at those cells. How beautiful are they? And these pearls, just a minimal amount of pearls, just what I wanted. And I wanted to do a Dutch pour with this, and that ink made this amazing effect. Look at the effects that I got with the ink. So please, stay with me to the end of this. This is not done yet. It's not a dry result yet. We still have a way to go. And don't forget that special message at the end. Here's a few still shots, and here we go. Okay, so this is my beautiful painting, all dry, and it did dry beautiful, as you can see here. And it just reminded me of Under the Sea. So I had these Paprus napkins in my stash. Whenever I see something I like, I pick it up, and I love seahorses, so I have these for quite a while. So what I'm doing here is I separated the napkin, and I'm gonna cut that out, or I'm actually gonna tear it out with my hands, and we're gonna Mod Podge those seahorses onto this beautiful painting. The reason that this painting doesn't have a lot of pearls is because I did not want a pearl pour that was going to take over my painting. I was looking for something that had a little pearls, not too much, and actually the way this came out, it was perfect. Not that I was thinking of doing something like this, I'll be very honest with you. No, I did not. But I was looking to blow out part of the pearls. The acrylic ink came in as a whim. I was thinking about doing this, and it just came to me. And I love the way this came out, and I did 2 of them in a row because I loved it so much. Putting these seahorses in here was the best choice I made. It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Just make sure that you take all the plies out of the napkins. There was actually 3 plies in those napkins, and I didn't realize it. But as you can see here, you'll be seeing that final result in a minute. This came gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. I am so happy with this. Look at the lacing that I got, and look at the color, the vibrancy. And acrylic inks are just like acrylic paints, and you're not going to lose any of that color. It's a permanent color. Look how gorgeous this came. Absolutely stunning. It really is. Look at those pearls, really pretty. The colors are just beautiful in here. Look at all those little cells, just amazing. I absolutely love this. It gives me that watercolor feel, yet the colors are so vibrant. When you look at this in person, I couldn't decide if I wanted to put the tri-art glass on this, or if I'm going to give it just a light coat of spray varnish. So I haven't done anything yet, but I love it. This is absolutely beautiful, and I do have a special message for you if you'll just wait a moment or two. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about this technique that I did. Well, I give you my special message. I'll be showing you in the background the consistency of the paints I used in this painting. I want to take a moment, and I want to thank each and every one of the artists in this Friday with Friends. Unfortunately, this is going to be my last Friday, unless I come back as a guest. I have a lot of things on my plate lately, and I have a lot of things coming up. I have a few trips coming up, and I just feel I won't be able to to fulfill the duties that I would need to in my Friday with friends. So I felt it was better for me to take a step back and let somebody else sit in my place. So I am going to be handing over my spot to Oak by Bettina. And you all know Betty already because she's been with us quite a few times as a guest. So I want to thank each and every one of you for sticking with me throughout all of this. I still will be painting. It's not that I'm going to give up my painting. I am not giving up my painting. Just I will not be here every week, and I won't be in with the Friday ladies. I'll just be putting up intermittently premieres here and there, and probably just videos here and there. Maybe once in a while I'll put up a live. I'm not sure if I'm going to go that route anymore. But I want to thank each and every one of you and each and every one of these beautiful ladies who have supported me throughout all of this time. Special thanks to Cynthia Studio, my friend Cindy. I'm going to miss you the most because you were the one who invited me to this train. So thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I'm really going to miss it, but it's just something that I need to do. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, and laughter. Have a great night, everyone. Have a great weekend. Be safe out there. Till next time. Bye-bye now.